Hi guys, Anani here. I am coming today to share a small haul, but before I get into the haul, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Also, I upload new videos every Monday and Wednesday, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also click that bell. That bell will notify you every time I upload a new video. So let's get started, guys. The first item I got was this towel from Home Goods. Real pretty, guys. This was the only one that they had. I wish they had two, but that's okay. They come in 2 in a pack, and the price for it is $6.99. Okay, that was the only item that I got from Home Goods. The next item I got came from Ross, and it's these 2 mugs. There's one, and here's the other one. It says wifey on it, guys. Real pretty. And guys, these were only 99 cents. The next item I got, guys, is this spoon rest. Real pretty, guys, and it was only $2.99. And then my last item from Ross are these placemats. Guys, look how pretty this is. See that? It's like in a champagne color. And guys, this was also reasonable as well. This was only $7.99. Alright, then I went into Micheal's, and Micheal's had watches that were on sale, and I thought these would make some really good holiday gifts. So I got me a few of these, and I wanted to show you what they look like. And guys, I want you to see the price that they were originally. You guys, the original price was $40, and I got them for $4.47. Okay, I hope you can see that. So I got this one, then I got this one, this, this one. These would make nice gifts for the holidays. This white one was my favorite. And this one. Got this one. This one. And finally, guys, this one. Well, guys, this is the end of my haul. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again, guys, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. Everybody be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.